All right, folks, welcome to Hey Big Grilling. Now, tonight we're going to stay in the kitchen. We're going to make a lemon butter chicken. This is another recipe that Mr. Brad sent me. So, he's 1 for 1 so far. The taco pie last night was pretty good, so we'll see if Brad can go 2 for 2 on these recipes, huh? All right, for the chicken, I've got it laid out here in a baking pan. You can use chicken breast if you want. I went with chicken tenderloins, but we're going to use 3 simple ingredients on the chicken. We'll come over and season it with salt, followed by black pepper, and then we're going to use some paprika. Now, I'm not going to season the other side of these because we're going to cook these in the bottom of our Dutch oven, and then when we flip them, then they're going to end up, getting the seasoning, the whole 9. So we'll be all right. So when we put them in the Dutch oven, we're gonna put them the seasoning side down first. All right, now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna set our burner to a medium-high heat. And we're gonna let this butter start to melt. You can't even see the butter yet, can you? But we're gonna let that almost completely melt down. All right, so our butter is almost fully melted. We're gonna start adding these chicken tenderloins in here, and we're going to cook them 2 to 3 minutes and just kind of keep flipping them over until they're cooked. All right, so we've removed our chicken from our Dutch oven. We're going to add 1 more tablespoon of butter. We're going to go 2 teaspoons of garlic. Now at this point, we're going to come in with our whisk. Just start working this around until that becomes fragrant. All right, next we're gonna add 1 cup of chicken broth, followed by ½ a cup of heavy cream. Now that we have these ingredients in here, we're just gonna whisk this in together, but what you're also doing, I'm using the whisk, that way I can scrape up the bits from the chicken that are stuck to the bottom of the Dutch oven. Next, we're gonna add ½ a cup of shredded Parmesan, followed by some thyme. No measurement, just eyeball it. Followed by all the juice you can get out of 1 lemon. Now I'm holding my hand here so that way I can catch any of the seeds if they were to fall out, because you do not want the seeds. Now we're going to stir this in together until it's just already at a boil, but I wanted to make sure that my cheese had melted to the bottom. So at this point now, we're going to reduce our heat down to I'm going to go to a medium-low. All right, now we're going to put 2 cups worth of spinach. Now, how do you measure out 2 cups worth of spinach, you may ask, which is a good question because I didn't know. But just basically 2 handfuls, 2 grasps of spinach. And we're just going to work this in, kind of continuing to stir it for about 5 minutes. Or until the spinach starts to wilt. All right, next we're going to add in a cornstarch slurry. Now I went 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of cold water. We're just going to mix that in and let the sauce kind of thicken up a little bit. Now we're going to start adding our chicken back down into our pot here. Now that I have my chicken in here, probably should have grabbed a different utensil. That's what we're going to do. But we're just going to kind of stir this around to coat our chicken in this sauce here. Just kind of work it around, stir it. Now, I already have my oven preheated to 400 degrees. Once we get this coated, we're going to toss the entire Dutch oven into the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Y'all look at these. Look at these. Look at these plates. All right, so let's cut into this chicken. I'm hoping I won't need a knife. No knife needed. All right, so now it's time for that all-important taste test.
I'll give it to you.
Folks, that was incredible. The moment that food touched my palate, I was already excited. Like I was ready to give it the fist bump before I ever finished chewing. But Very good. The only thing I would do different is I would double the measurements for the ingredients to make that sauce.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Because I think if it had cooked with more sauce, made it creamier, a little bit more to spoon over on the rice, I think that would make it even better.
I agree.
But all in all,
You didn't ask me.
drop
but-
some on?
No,
Oh.
you didn't ask me, but I agree.
what do you think?
What you said?
But very good. I mean, incredible flavor from the sauce. Incredible flavor on the chicken. How's that asparagus?
I mean, I like it.
You notice that wasn't part of my taste test, right? But y'all please give us one a try. Let me know what you think. Please like, subscribe. And Miss Laura and I, we'll see you later.